today we're going to be showing you Crayola running, and this is the video. So enjoy and take your seats, and if you may, have some popcorn. Crayola! Come on, Crayola! Creole's a little shy to be on the camera. Creole, come on, Creole. Yeah, videotaping you. She's really shy to be on some pictures. But instead of a video, I'll do some pictures. I hope you had a nice video. Bye. This is Molly speaking. And this is Molly going off.